Hello, and welcome to Twist by Design Jewelry Creations. For those of you who don't know, I've been so busy designing and crafting some of the most eye-catching, wearable jewelry that you're ever going to see. Or let's just say, some really cute swag. I've taken my background in cosmetology as well as my experience selling high-end jewelry and merged the two, so that I could create some jewelry that's aesthetically pleasing and practical to wear. I want to deliver pieces that are both substantial to the eye as well as being very lightweight. You'll be able to find all my pieces in my new Etsy shop, Twist by Design Jewelry Creations. Go ahead and click the link below, follow my Etsy store. This way, when the shop goes live at the latter part of next month, you'll already be there and have first pick of all the pieces. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the links and follow Twist on Instagram and follow Twist on Facebook. And get some early previews of what's to come. Meanwhile, I'll be here designing and handcrafting all of your pieces. Made by me, designed by me, packaged by me, shipped by me. As you can see, I've been a very busy girl. So make sure you're in it to win it. If you're not already subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do. Share it out to your Twitter, your Facebook, or wherever else you can, whatever social media platform you're using. Because I want to send out as many of these pink mailers as possible. That's all you have to do. Go online, order, and look for your pink envelope in the mailbox. It couldn't be any easier.